Hi, I'm Neil, a developer here at PPO, and in this video we're going to create a calculated key metric that displays a percentage of issues that are overdue. This is a useful operational and governance metric because it helps teams quickly identify whether issues are being resolved on time or whether corrective action may be required. For this example, we'll build the metric using the issues entity. So to build this metric, we'll go to our operational tab, click on edit, and add a widget to our existing panel. Choose key metric and make sure that we select issues. Click on add, and again I'm going to place them next to each other and click on save. Now that we're ready to configure our metric, I'll click on the gear icon to open the settings. Calculation type, I'm going to change that to calculated. This is a percentage, so we choose the percentage field type. And remember that percentage fields automatically multiply the result by 100 and displays this percentage symbol. I'm going to keep the decimal places at 2. For the caption, I'm going to say it's the percentage of overdue issues. For the color, we'll use red because overdue issues typically represent a risk that requires attention and follow-up. And now we're ready to build our formula. The calculation is the count of overdue issues divided by the total issue count. In simple terms, what percentage of all issues are overdue? From our math toolbox, we drag the arithmetic block, we change the operator to divide. In our left-hand side, we choose the COUNTIF block, and inside the COUNTIF block, we are interested in the custom list that is set to overdue. You can change these values to the custom list items, but we are interested in the overdue issues. In our right-hand side, we'll add our count block, which returns the count of all issues. And now we're ready to save and review this. The key metric widget will now display the percentage of issues that are overdue. As issue dates and statuses change, the metric automatically recalculates to provide an up-to-date view of issue management performance. This example demonstrates one of the simplest and most powerful uses of the COUNTIF block. By comparing a subset of records against the total record count, you can quickly create meaningful percentage-based indicators that help management focus on areas requiring attention. Thanks for watching.